Tomatoes are a nutrient-dense food, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants like lycopene, which offer a wide range of health benefits. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the health benefits of tomatoes, presented in full, with scientific evidence and additional information to ensure comprehensiveness. 1. Supports cardiovascular health. Tomatoes are an ideal food for heart health thanks to their rich nutritional composition. Antioxidant, lycopene. Lycopene, a powerful carotenoid, helps reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels, preventing atherosclerosis. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2013 found that consuming lycopene-rich foods reduced the risk of coronary heart disease by 17 to 26%. Potassium regulates blood pressure. An average tomato 150 grams provides about 290 milligrams of potassium, 6 to 8% of daily needs, helping to balance sodium in the body, reducing pressure on blood vessel walls and the risk of high blood pressure. Vitamin C and folate. Vitamin C, 25 to 30% of daily requirement, improves endothelial function, while folate helps reduce homocysteine, a risk factor for heart disease. Soluble fiber. The fiber in tomatoes helps lower LDL bad cholesterol, improving blood lipid profile. Specific benefits. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Nutrition 2017 showed that consuming 25 milligrams of lycopene day, equivalent to 2 to 3 large tomatoes or 1 cup of tomato sauce, can reduce the risk of stroke by 10%. 2. Reduce the risk of cancer. Tomatoes may reduce the risk of certain cancers thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lycopene and prostate cancer. Lycopene inhibits the growth of cancer cells by interfering with cell signaling pathways. A study in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute 2002 showed that men who ate tomatoes 2 to 3 times a week reduced their risk of prostate cancer by 20 to 30%. Breast and lung cancer. Compounds such as beta-carotene and vitamin C help protect DNA from free radical damage, reducing the risk of breast cancer, according to International Journal of Cancer, 2015, and lung cancer in smokers. Fight chronic inflammation. Lycopene and flavonoids in tomatoes reduce chronic inflammation, a factor that promotes cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Note: lycopene is better absorbed when tomatoes are cooked or prepared with fats such as olive oil, because lycopene is fat-soluble. 3. Improve skin health. Tomatoes support skin health through protective and regenerative mechanisms. UV protection. Lycopene and beta-carotene act as natural sunscreens, reducing skin damage caused by UV rays. A study in the British Journal of Dermatology 2008 found that lycopene supplementation for 12 weeks reduced skin redness caused by sunburn by 25%. Promote collagen production. Vitamin C in tomatoes, about 20 milligrams. Fruit is an important ingredient in collagen synthesis, helping to firm skin, reduce wrinkles, and increase elasticity. Anti-inflammatory compounds like lycopene and flavonoids reduce inflammation, helping to improve conditions like acne, psoriasis, or eczema. Practical application. Using tomatoes in salads with olive oil or making a crushed tomato mask combined with yogurt can improve skin moisture and brightness. 4. Supports eye health. Tomatoes contain nutrients important for vision. Lutein, zeaxanthin. These 2 antioxidants are concentrated in the retina, protecting the eyes from blue light and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. 1 tomato provides about 0.1 milligrams of lutein, which supports long-term eye health. Beta-carotene and vitamin A. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A, which is needed for night vision and maintaining corneal health. 1 serving of tomatoes, 150 grams, provides about 15% of the daily vitamin A requirement. Vitamin C protects blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of glaucoma. Research, according to Ophthalmology 2014, diets rich in lutein and zeaxanthin reduce the risk of macular degeneration in older adults by 20%. 5. Boost the immune system. Tomatoes play an important role in boosting immunity. Vitamin C. An average tomato provides 20 to 25 milligrams of vitamin C, which stimulates the production of white blood cells and antibodies, helping the body fight infections such as colds or flu. Lycopene is anti-inflammatory, Lycopene inhibits inflammatory cytokines, helping to reduce chronic inflammation associated with diseases such as arthritis or autoimmune diseases. Asterisk vitamin E and flavonoids, even in small amounts. Vitamin E and flavonoids in tomatoes work together with vitamin C to strengthen the immune barrier. Asterisk, for example, drinking tomato juice or eating tomato soup during cold weather can support the immune system, especially when combined with garlic or onions. Asterisk 6. Aids digestion and weight control. Asterisk. Tomatoes are a great choice for digestion and weight management. Asterisk fiber. One tomato provides about 1.5 grams of fiber, 5 to 7% of daily needs, which aids bowel movements, prevents constipation, and nourishes beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Asterisk low in calories, makes you feel full for a long time. With about 25 kcal fruit, tomatoes are an ideal food for a diet. High fiber and water content 94% help create a feeling of fullness, reducing overeating. Asterisk stabilize blood sugar. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index, GI approximately 15, combined with fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels, suitable for people with type 2 diabetes. Asterisk research. According to Diabetes Care 2011, a diet rich in low GI foods like tomatoes improves blood sugar control in diabetics. Asterisk 7. Strengthen bone health. Tomatoes support bone health through important nutrients. Vitamin K1 tomato provides about 10 to 12% of the daily requirement of vitamin K, which is necessary for bone mineralization and blood clotting. Asterisk lycopene and bones. Lycopene reduces oxidative stress in bone cells, helping to preserve bone density. A study in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research 2010 found that lycopene may reduce the risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Asterisk calcium and magnesium, even in small amounts. The calcium and magnesium in tomatoes contribute to supporting bone structure. Asterisk benefits. Regular consumption of tomatoes, especially combined with calcium-rich foods like yogurt, can promote long-term bone health. 8. Support pregnancy health. Tomatoes are safe and nutritious food for pregnant women. Asterisk folate, vitamin B9. One tomato provides about 20 to 25 micrograms of folate, 5% of daily requirement, which helps prevent neural tube defects in the fetus. Folate also aids in DNA synthesis during fetal development. Asterisk vitamin C and iron. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption, helping to prevent anemia in pregnant women. Asterisk fiber and water helps relieve constipation, a common problem during pregnancy. Asterisk recommendation. Pregnant women should eat 1 to 2 tomatoes a day or use in salads, soups to supplement folate and vitamins. 9. Supports kidney health and reduces inflammation. Reduce chronic inflammation. Lycopene, vitamin C and flavonoids in tomatoes help reduce inflammatory markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, which is linked to kidney disease and chronic illness. Asterisk supports kidney function. The high potassium and water content in tomatoes helps maintain fluid balance, supports kidney function, and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Asterisk research. A study in nephrology, dialysis, transplantation, 2016 found that a diet rich in foods containing lycopene helped reduce inflammation in patients with kidney failure. Note, when consuming tomatoes, optimal preparation. Lycopene is better absorbed when tomatoes are cooked like tomato sauce, soup, and combined with healthy fats, olive oil, avocado. For example, 1 cup of tomato sauce provides 20 to 40 milligrams of lycopene, 2 to 3 times more than raw tomatoes. Asterisk allergies and acidity. Some people are sensitive to the acids in tomatoes such as citric acid, and may experience stomach reflux or irritation. Eat in moderation 2 to 3 tomatoes a day, and avoid eating on an empty stomach. Asterisk choose safe tomatoes. Prioritize organic tomatoes or tomatoes from a trusted source to avoid pesticide residues. Naturally ripe red tomatoes contain more lycopene than green tomatoes. Asterisk drug interactions. People taking blood thinners such as warfarin should consult their doctor because the vitamin K in tomatoes can affect blood clotting. Conclude tomatoes are a superfood packed with lycopene, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, folate, and fiber, providing comprehensive benefits for your heart, skin, eyes, immune system, digestion, bones, and pregnancy. Regular consumption of tomatoes, 2 to 3 fruits a day, or 1 to 2 cups of tomato sauce, weak in salads, sauces, soups, or juices, helps optimize health and reduce the risk of chronic disease.